What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Josh, also known as Gentbehindascent, and today we're going to have a look at Summer Break Soaps Prom King. I've been sitting on this one for a little bit. It's still on sale over at a wet shaving store. I've got it whipped up here. My Prairie Badlands, beautiful Badlands, Badger brush here. I really love this brush. Silver tip, 3-band. We're going with my last in this pack, Nasset. And we're going with the hammer, the pearl hammer. Beautiful barber pole grip handle there. So that's what we're going with. No overhang. There's my pre-shave right here. If you haven't figured out yet, this is going to be a head shave. Hope everyone's well. Thank you for the new subscribers and everyone who's been supporting. Can't thank you enough. This scent right here, if you've had Jean-Paul Gaultier with Le Mans, then you know what this smells like. And this is a beautiful base. I love Summer Break soaps. It is a non-vegan soap. So if that kills it for you, I'm sorry, but got a lot of good stuff in it. Grapeseed oil, fragrance oil, essential oil, lanolin, bentonite clay, jojoba, coconut milk, aloe vera, liquid, water, potassium hydroxide, shea butter. So $12.99 on sale right now over at the wet shaving store. So it's not super soft, it's not super firm, it's like a happy medium, the density. Look at that. Sorry about that. All right. Let's see what this bad boy does. I'm not going to judge it off the first pass because I've got quite a bit of growth. What's your shave of the day? Leave it in the comments. I like reading, seeing what razor, what soap people are using. Oh God. Perfect. I dialed this leather in perfect. Haven't used summer break in a while, and I still dialed it in perfect. If you don't have one of these squirt bottles, I highly recommend get one, because you can really, once you get your soap in the bowl, and don't be scared to put soap. Some people, I know that's why they're getting bad lathers, because they're not putting enough product in the bowl. So, and then what I do is put the product in the bowl, spread it around as thin as I can make it, especially if I'm using a badger brush. But either way, I always get it as thin as I can in the bowl. Then you're going to want to take your water bottle or whatever you're adding water to it with, and I put about that much on top of it and let it sit and soften the soap up. And then about 5 minutes later, or whenever I have the rest of my shave set up, I go over and start pumping water through the bottle into the bowl and see what that does. And if it's not wet enough, I just keep adding, swirl, add, swirl. You can add water, you can't take it away. So, and another thing people are not doing is adding enough water. You've got to add enough water. That's why you're saying these soaps aren't slick. You're just not adding enough water. Some of these soaps have a water band stretch across California. I mean, and some don't, and some are right in the middle. You just gotta know your soap, play with your soap, whatever base it is, and figure it out. This is just murdering this. That was nothing. Wow. Now, if I can just get through this pass without any nicks, I'll be good. But so far, so good. Amazing. Scent strength on this, even on the head while shaving, it's a 5. So, on face, it's on face, it's like, I'd say 7. 6 out of off the puck, 7 on the face, 6.5 on the dome. It's not lacking whatsoever. The scent notes on this are, oh, we got lavender, bergamot, mint. Base is cinnamon, cumin, orange blossom, and the base is vanilla, tonka bean, sandalwood, cedarwood. I don't know if that's an exact copy or what. I didn't check the cologne, but I'm definitely gonna pick me up some Jean Paul Gaultier Lamel, whatever. Lamel, potato, whatever. Anyway, once I see that in the store, I'm probably gonna get it because it is amazing. It's a very manly yet playful, sweet type of scent. I don't know. It's your clubbing scent or whatever. You're going out to get drunk scent. You're going to the club. I'll wear it to the office. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. I mean, I'll wear Hallows to the office. I don't care. This razor is super heavy. Well, I don't know, super, but it's pretty damn heavy for a razor, which means you don't have to do anything but pull. And when the razors are plastic or made out of very light material, you feel like you need to compensate for that weight, and you really don't, but it's hard to learn until you've been doing it a while. This right here, give it a medium aggression, which is really nice because I don't want my head raw, my skin raw before I apply my aftershave, which I have the matching aftershave. It was on sale as well. I don't know how many it has left in stock, but as of a couple hours ago, on Friday, March 29th, 2024, he does have some in stock. So I didn't check the splash, but I had to get the scent note, so I just went ahead and grabbed the availability while I was there, and really recommend it. I'd get another tub if I could, if I ran out. I mean, another thing about this soap is it was made exclusively for the Reddit subreddit group r/r/wet shaving. But I don't know what happened there, but it finally came out to the public, and I'm glad it did because it's great. I think the last time I used this razor, I used the open comb on my head. That was not good. Yes, your head hair is tough, but my skin on my head's very sensitive. Well, sensitive, it's not extremely sensitive to aggressive razors or blades, whatever you're fishing. But I got through it. So alright guys. And that's a bald head. I'm gonna apply alum. Pick this up over at Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Link in description. And any donations through PayPal is very appreciated. and or Cash App. It helps the channel go, helps me get products to show you guys, and about it. Got this phone, over $1,000. The only reason I got it was to make videos with the camera. So I didn't need a phone. Not really. I didn't need this one. But by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for being away for a couple weeks. And by the way, summer breaks out of Kearney, New England. And it's got witch hazel, perfumers alcohol, fragrance, polysorbate 20, a lot of other stuff. Damn thing don't want to focus. No burn, just a little sting. But as long as it don't burn, I don't care. That means I didn't go too aggressive on my head, but I still got a BBS shave. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope to be back with the face shave next week. So, if you have any ideas for future videos or my next video, leave it in the comments below. Leave a like. It really helps the channel. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. And share. Thanks. Bye.